Unveiling the Scales of Justice. Understanding, weigh the evidence. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a very intriguing phrase that often pops up in legal dramas, detective stories, and everyday conversations: weigh the evidence. Stick around to uncover the meaning behind this expression and how you can use it effectively in your own communication. Let's get started. Weigh the evidence is a metaphorical expression that comes from the imagery of scales. Yes, the kind you might find in a marketplace or a laboratory. To weigh something traditionally means to measure its weight using scales. However, when we talk about weighing the evidence, we're not talking about physical weight but rather evaluating the strength, reliability, and relevance of the evidence in question. In this context, evidence can refer to facts, information, or statements used to support or refute a claim, argument, or case. Therefore, to weigh the evidence means to carefully consider and analyze all the available evidence before making a decision or forming an opinion. You're likely to encounter this phrase in a variety of contexts, but there are a few where it's especially common. Legal settings. Judges and jurors often need to weigh the evidence presented during a trial to determine the outcome of a case. Academic research. Researchers weigh the evidence when conducting literature reviews, evaluating the quality and relevance of previous studies. Everyday decision-making. We all weigh the evidence, in a sense, when making complex decisions, like purchasing a car or choosing a healthcare provider, based on the information available to us. Understanding this phrase can help you grasp the nuances of discussions and debates in these areas, making you a more informed listener and participant. Now that you know what it means to weigh the evidence, let's see how you can incorporate this phrase into your own speech or writing. Here are a few examples. After weighing the evidence, the jury found the defendant not guilty. I need to weigh the evidence before making a final decision about which university to attend. The committee is weighing the evidence to determine the best course of action for the company's future. Notice that in each case, the phrase indicates a careful and deliberate consideration of information before reaching a conclusion. We hope this video has shed some light on the phrase, weigh the evidence, and how you can use it to enhance your English communication skills. Remember, mastering phrases like this one can significantly enrich your vocabulary and allow you to express yourself more precisely and effectively. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more English language learning content. Until next time, keep exploring the depths of the English language, and happy learning!